seeing progress and feeling good is exciting, and that's what keeps you going. Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to another video. Today's video is all about health and like getting back into a workout routine and just like creating healthy habits. If you are new, my name is Amanda. I post weekly content here on my channel, so I would love it if you would subscribe down below and have that bell turned on so you are notified every time I upload a video. I'm ready to start all over again, and I want to show you guys how I'm going to do it and hopefully encourage you to also do it yourself, and also encourage myself along the way, because I feel like if I create content that is revolved around what I'm passionate about, which is living a healthy lifestyle, eating well, you know, working out, moving your body, feeling good, those things motivate me, and in turn I hope they motivate you as well, because that is really what this is all about, is to be encouraging and to inspire people. This is day 4 of me getting moving, me feeling good. I started with a good breakfast this morning, had my coffee, and while I let my breakfast settle, I did my skincare, my LED mask and all of that, and had my coffee. So now I'm ready to work out. And it is raining today. It is pretty crappy outside. I am going to do a workout on the treadmill. Then we're gonna do a stretch session. I'm gonna show you what I'm eating today. Let's get on into it. As always, I had my lemon water. I'm gonna finish this. I just filled this water bottle up with water, and we're gonna finish that today, plus probably have one more of those. My goal is to have 64 ounces today, so I'm going to fill this up twice, or I could just fill up my 64 ounce too, whichever. I cannot tell you how good I feel just from the last few days of getting outside and walking and really pushing myself to just keep moving and, you know, breaking that sweat and just feeling so good afterwards. So I feel like I'm in the best mood ever, and like just knowing how that makes me feel even more motivated to do it like the days following. I am done. That was good. That was really good. I did about 3 miles on the treadmill. I ran some, I power walked some. It felt so good. I got a really good sweat in. And then I just came up and I did some weight stuff, some squats and all that. I finished my lemon water and I'm starting on this now. And so I'm gonna chug a bunch of this. We are going to find something to eat. Maybe like a shake or a smoothie or something I will make, but we're gonna find out in a minute. I wanna mention too, like, just because you don't go to the gym, just because it's raining outside, you know, your treadmill is in a creepy basement, you know, like, don't let those things stop you from getting it done and working out and doing just a little something. The only person that's holding you back is gonna be you. And I tell myself this all the time, that if I wanna see a difference, I need to make the difference. So just keep that in mind. You don't need anything special to work out. I mean, get yourself a yoga mat, get yourself some weights. I have leg weights, I have resistance bands. If you have a treadmill, great. If you can't get on a treadmill or get out for a walk, go do something in your house, do some squats, do some yoga, do some stretches. You get it, just do it, just do it. I feel so good. I want you to feel good too, so go do it. Okay, I need some water and I need something to eat. I just made myself a shake. I did frozen banana, pineapple, not frozen, just cut up pineapple I had in the fridge. I used a bunch of it because I need to use it up. My oat milk, a scoop of my hemp protein powder, and about a teaspoon of spirulina powder. I used the Tropica one. It tastes really good, so I was just coming in here by the kitties because they're sleeping, kind of. Hi, honey. Okay, so it's stretching time. Just make sure you take some time to stretch because that is one of the most important things. You want your muscles to be limbered up for the next time you go to work out. If you neglect stretching and you skip stretch sessions, you will notice. I'm gonna do this and you'll probably see some kitties along the way. Also, I'm almost done with this, so I'm gonna be refilling it soon. Got this guy filled for the second time, so it's just after 3 o'clock. I can totally drink through another 40 ounces before the end of the day, so that will be good. It's a little bit later now. I took a shower, got all clean. I also have a face mask on, so that's why I look crazy, so don't mind that. But yeah, I took a shower, and let me tell you, a shower after sweating is like the most amazing thing ever. I can't even explain. Like, you actually feel like you have a good reason to take a shower. I'm literally so hungry. All right, so yeah, I put my hair up because it was a non-hair wash day, so I just needed it up and out of my face, and I have it in one of my clippies, which I've been loving. Yeah, so we're gonna do a power bowl. Endless possibilities when it comes to power bowl. You can put roasted sweet potato in these, any vegetable of choice, avocado, any seasonings you want, homemade dressing, just chef's kiss. This is the tuna I'm using. This is just a solid white tuna in water, no added salt. I love this very, very much. It has very good flavor. So I'm gonna put a whole can of this in my power bowl. I'm going to be doing cucumber, tomato, mixed greens, avocado, apple cider vinegar, mayo, salt and pepper. I've said it before, but I'm gonna say it again. I always wash my produce in apple cider vinegar water. I let it sit in there for like 5 to 10 minutes before I eat it. Just buy one of those big things of apple cider vinegar and then just put it in a big bowl, add some water to it, and let your stuff soak in there. Don't buy that spray stuff to clean your produce. To me, that's a waste of money, and this is just so inexpensive and so easy to do that, yeah, this is the way to go if you're gonna wash your stuff. So yeah, always wash your stuff because you never know what's on it. So I have my bowl here, which you've probably seen as well in the past. And you can also dry this off with a paper towel, but I don't mind. Here is my completed product. I did add some yellow pepper in there as well for a little bit of extra crunch. I'm starving and this looks so good. I'm going to have a few of these dark chocolate chips as like a little dessert type sweet tooth craving. I am a chocolate person. I love chocolate, so That concludes my little healthy day. I wanted to make a vlog about this because I want to be real about the changes I'm making. I do want to make an iced matcha. I have had hot matcha, but I've never had iced matcha. So I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not, but I do have everything I need to make it. I just need to make it. So I'll probably do that in another vlog. Another thing I want to touch on really quick before I go is diets. I want to break that notion of, oh, I gotta cut this out in order to make progress, because no, that's not the case. You just need to change your diet. You don't have to diet, but you need to change your diet, okay? That wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I hope it was encouraging. I hope it was fun to watch. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you are subscribed if you are not already. And as always, I will see you in my next video.